Want to get Hulu for free in 2025 without needing a credit card? I've got a few methods to help you out. Make sure to hit that like and sub if this video helps. Step 1. Free trial. First, Hulu offers a 7-day free trial that you can use to watch content without paying. You won't need a credit card if you're signing up through certain promotions, so check Hulu's website for any current offers. Step 2. Bundles with Disney Plus and ESPN Plus. Another way to get Hulu for free is by signing up for a Disney Plus and ESPN Plus bundle. Occasionally, you can find promotions where this bundle offers free access to Hulu as part of the deal. Keep an eye on special offers. Step 3. Shared accounts. You can also share accounts with family or friends. Hulu allows multiple users on one account, so ask someone with a Hulu subscription if they're willing to share access without needing to pay. If this is helping so far, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips. Step 4. Use Hulu's limited free content. Hulu has some free content available without a subscription. While it's limited, you can watch select shows and movies for free with ads, no credit card needed. Step 5. Check for promotions or offers. Sometimes mobile carriers or internet providers offer free Hulu subscriptions as part of their bundles. If you're switching plans or signing up for a new service, see if Hulu is included. That's how you can get Hulu for free in 2025 without using a credit card. Use free trials, share accounts, or look for bundles and promos. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more tips and comment for any other how-to you might need.